त्यसकारणले म्याथमेटिसियनहरुको मात्रै ग्रुप छ, त्यसकारणले यो ग्रुप चाहिँ वास्तवमा जोइन हुनुपर्ने ग्रुप हो। भविष्यको प्रधानमन्त्रीको भन्ने विषयको ग्रुप जुन छ त्यसको जोइन गर्नुको कुनै तुक छैन। त्यसकारणले जहाँ तुक हुन्छ त्यहाँ जोइन हुनुहोस्, आउनुहोस् एन्मामा जोइन हुनुहोस्, एन्मामा हामीलाई खोज्नुहोस्, हामी त्यहाँ भेट्यौँला। अनि त्यसपछि ल ठिकै छ, हामी चाहिँ अगाडि भेटेको, हामी म्याथको सर्कलको मान्छे समय बसेर केही काम गरौँ भन्ने हुनसक्छ। त्यसकारणले फेसबुक चाहिँ इफेक्टिभली युज गरौँ, इफेक्टिभली युज गर्नुको लागि आफ्नो ग्रुपलाई समाइने गर्ने प्रयास गरौँ। त्यसको लागि चाहिँ तपाईँहरूलाई त्यो एन्मामा जोइन हुनुको लागि चाहिँ म हार्दिक
होइन, यिनीहरू सबै हामीले हेऱ्यौँ। अब यता उतामा आउने चाहिँ मिल्दैन, जस्तै अब यो मैले गरेर कुरा त एकदमै चाहिँ प्रिमिटिभ हो नि त, त्यतातिर पनि काम गर्न इच्छुक छु क्या, त्यो भन्न खोजेँ।
अब एउटा कुरा चाहिँ के सिक्यो भने जुन तपाईँको आर्टबाट मैले देखेँ नि, द्याट इज द मोस्ट।
त्यसको मतलब
त्यहाँ गएर केही विचार विमर्शको सम्बन्धित विषयमा जानकारी लिन सक्ने प्रावधानहरू छ अथवा छैन, के छ भनेर साथीहरूले के यसको बारेमा थाहा पाउनुभएको छ कि, अथवा फ्रेसली त्यही अमेरिकन गएर पिएचडी गर्न चाहने साथीहरूको लागि यो तोमेलहरू नदिकन गर्ने पनि कुनै प्रोभिजन केही जानकारी गराइदिनु भए धेरै साथीहरू पनि लाभान्वित हुन्थ्यो होला।
That in my notion, 21st century of mathematics education should be able to create mathematically oriented men who can work intensively, feel deeply, think seriously, explore widely, and represent vividly, and make connection of mathematics inside and outside the country. But actually for this, we must be updated with the recent technologies developed. Probably, may by feeling this type of concept by the members of ANMA and NMC, an attempt has been done by the mutual collaboration of ANMA and NMC. I firstly like to thank the organizer committee. After introducing graphing calculator technology in the tracing of curve in front of us, I feel really wonderful. I hope this type of technology will be observed in the forthcoming days also, and this type of technologies definitely help us in our classroom for our teaching and study purposes. Thank you.
Okay, we are grateful to the Nepal Mathematical Center as well as the ANMA for conducting that type of program to enhance our abilities as well as capacities to teach mathematics by the use of technology. And today we are happy because we have known the idea how to use the graphing calculators, as well as we have got the knowledge about the tracing of curve. And we are also thankful to three persons, Mr. Durga Jankesi and Mr. Deepak Basal and Dr. Kailash Gimire, because they have shared the knowledge about the curve tracing. It means tracing of curve, as well as the different ideas of inverse functions and how to use the graphing calculators. So that type of program should be conducted regularly if possible, and we are thankful to them. Thank you.
आजभन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ यसरी क्याल्कुलेटर युज गरेर कम्प्युटरबाट म्याथ गरेको त्यस्तो देख्नुभएको थियो भन्नुभएको थियो। भनेपछि टेक्नोलोजी भनेको आजसम्म युज गरिएन कति पनि
क्याल्कुलेटर सामान्य त गरियो, यस्तो चाहिँ अब अहिले
टिचिङ चाहिँ गर्नुभएको छ
गरेँ
भनेपछि अब टिचिङको फिल्डमा अहिले के सेकेन्ड इयर पढ्दै हुनुहुन्छ?
प्रोग्राम एकदमै रमाइलो पनि भयो, इफेक्टिभ पनि थियो।
कुन हिसाबबाट इफेक्टिभ मान्नुहुन्छ?
एउटा त म्याथमेटिक्स वी सुड गो विथ टेक्नोलोजी होइन, त्यो हिसाबले चाहिँ एकदमै इफेक्टिभ। अनि त्यसपछि अरू त वी गट मच मोर नलेज होइन, राम्रो कुराहरू थियो। हामीले पछि पढाउँदा चाहिँ एकदम काम लाग्छ होला सायद।
तपाईँको जस्तो तपाईँलाई त्यसरी त्यो टेक्नोलोजी उपलब्ध गराउने भनेदेखि तपाईँ आफू पढाउँदाखेरि क्लासरुममा गएर युज गर्छु जस्तो लाग्छ कि लाग्छ?
ओभियसली लाग्छ। इफ यु गेट द अपर्च्युनिटी वी विल डु।
त्यसबाट के फाइदा हुन्छ जस्तो लाग्छ?
फाइदा त नेपालमा त कस्तो छ, म्याथमेटिक्सको कन्डिसन कस्तो छ हजुरलाई पनि थाहा छँदैछ। अनि अब टेक्नोलोजी यदि हामी सँगसँगै हिँड्यो भने त ओभियसली फाइदा भइहाल्छ।
धन्यवाद।
थ्याङ्क यू।
Thank you, Deepak. Again, after this program, I think I believe we have been benefited much. And as you proposed the proposal, it would be beneficial for the higher secondary level students as well as the institutions. Because we have to start the mathematics teaching with technology, of course, and that proposal what you have explored in the during the session would be beneficial.
So as you are the member of the Nepal Mathematics Center, and that is a big organization with big professional people in math. So how can you help to bring that project in Nepal?
According to your proposal, I think our organization will cooperate to succeed the project, the proposed project. So what we can do, we do. Okay. We communicate with the institutions. We contact with the mathematics teachers in those institutions, and we communicate with the resource persons, and we help to conduct the seminars, webinars, as you said, and other things as well. Then I think we will help to succeed.
Okay, so when we start some kind of work, there is always a problem,
Of course.
maybe big problem or a small problem. So what do you think, what will be the problem if we bring that project here?
I think the most tedious job would be how to consolidate all the organizations and how can we explore our idea and how can we convince them to adopt the technology in teaching. So that would be the most, that would be the problem, I think.
So do you
But
think
we can solve the problem because we have a good network, and we, as you said, you have resource persons. Professor Emirates, what you said.
Professor Marian Prince.
I know from her.
What do you
appeal,
think about that video?
From her appeal, she is quite interested to help the people of developing countries like Nepal, So I think it would be no more problem because we can solve it.
That's great. Thank you so much for your time. ल म प्रश्न गर्छु इङ्ग्लिसमै भन्नुहुन्छ कि नेपाली भन्नुहुन्छ? Okay. So what do you think about the program then?
Program is very fine, good, and it is welcome. That we liked it, and so I think the participants also liked very much, and you did very well.
So what do you think about that Mathematics for New Nepal project?
That is essential. We have we tried it for some 6-7 years back. In the Ronas, we have proposed a new national mathematics program, and in the beginning we thought of making New Mathematics for New Nepal. That was the slogan.
Wow.
That is how we did, and it was not responded, and we did not get positive response for so many years. And after that, we tried to spend money from our pocket and tried to move some advocacy document we have made. We thought of convincing the political top persons. We thought that the leaders must have a willpower, strong willpower, and they must commit. There should be commitment. Then the policymakers must do something. Then administration must cooperate. And these are the different stages. They should cooperate. Otherwise, we won't be able to develop mathematics in the 21st century. That's why we thought of we have a report for mathematics for the 21st century. That about that we are going to have a seminar. I submitted that report as a research report some 4 years back. Unfortunately, we could not go ahead, and we shall be doing one seminar, 2-day seminar about that mathematics for the 21st century. What should be the principle? What should be the content and process standards? Just like in the.
So as a professor and as the president of the Nepal Mathematics Center. So, what do you think? How can you help this project? To bring here and then conduct it here.
Personally speaking, the situation over here is not that positive, I should say that. And if you ask me personally, my name is not acceptable to many. That is one problem.
I don't think that is right.
No, not among our community. It is because of some kind of, as you said, I should not say I am involved in politics, but that is not politics, dirty politics. Because of that, they don't want to consider what I am saying. They think that whatever mathematics I am doing, whatever I am talking about the corpse racing over here, they think that I am doing politics. Some particular, this is how people came. Even so many people over here, they came here and they asked, don't do politics. What politics I am doing? I am spending my money, I am doing this or that. It is strictly within that. So they don't realize that what is politics, they don't understand. This is how things are. But even then, the project should be welcome. But that many of our people said that we should concentrate not in this general market. Suppose if you want to sell this project or propagate this project, if you have consulted me, I could have told we should first of all tap PAPSON. Tap means they are not giving actual. This will be accessible there. So you can, best place will be Lal Bangala, number one. Then PAPSON, Little Angeles, Galaxy. We should have some program over there that I told some of my teachers.
So that's the reason we are going to have a meeting with Nissan tomorrow, and I don't know if that's going to be a